Hello guys! Welcome to my kitchen. Char. Magluluto nga pala ako. Kami ng anak ko ng crab boil. So, ito, igigisa ko muna yung sausage sa olive oil para mas malasa siya pag ilagay ko na sa boiling water. So, ayan, nilalagyan ko na ng onion. Tapos, pinipiga ko yung lemons para masarap. At saka, yan yung crab boil powder ang nilagay ko. So, ayan, nilalagay ko na yung crab. King crab yan. So, at saka, syempre, haluin natin ng konti kasi mahaba yung king crabs eh. Medyo, yung pot ko, hindi naman kalakihan. So, kami lang naman ding apat. So, ayan, ilagay ko. Nahuli ko tuloy yung corn at saka yung potato, pero okay lang. Tapos, ayan, ilalagay ko na yung ginisa kong sausage. To, para mas malasa talaga siya. Yan, ito lang yung my own paraan na pagluluto ng crab boil. Hindi naman ako expert. So, gagawa tayo ng sauce. Yan, homemade sauce. Ayan, lagyan ko ng butter. Tapos, yan, mas maraming onion, mas masarap. Ayan. Tapos, syempre, garlic. Wala akong fresh. So, ito, lang siya, minced garlic. Mas maraming garlic, mas masarap. Ayan, yung mga hinalo-halo kong mga ingredients na mga powder. So, kayo, bahala na kayo kung anong mga powder ang gusto niyo. Tapos, ayan, syempre, pampasarap talaga, pampalasa, honey. Yan, lalagyan ko ng honey. Tapos, konting brown sugar para talaga mag-mix at saka mag-double sarap siya. So, ayan, papakuluin. Tapos, pinipigaan ko uli ng lemon.
Sure?
Wait, let me test first.
Yes, sir.
Silid.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Cover.
So, para hindi siya ma-overcook, syempre, aalisin na natin. Kasi, hindi maganda pag ma-overcook yung crab. So, ito na yung sauce na ilalagay ko sa crab boils. Ayan. Napaka-sticky siya. Masarap talaga. Tinikman namin. Nako, first time kong magawa ng crab sauce. So, ito, kainan na. First time ng mga anak kong kakain ng crabs.
And
Yeah, it's short.
whoa.
King. Here. Okay. How is it done?
Good.
Is it loud stir? See?
Didn't work. Whoa.
Good.
Alex.
Here.
Guys, look.
Oh, yes.
The full hand of the claw. Ow.
Sorry. Bro.
Mark. Okay, let's stop. Now look at this.
You like the sauce?
In there. Perfect.
But Mark, this was bad.
Yeah, that looks.
Hey, let's show your hand. Show your hand. Fingers.
You know, I think
Do like this. So
John is John is tearing it up. He said, I'm about to tear this up.
The corn
I'm about
was...
to tear this up. Like, can I get this scissors?
Mm.